Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating an Amazon delivery account. Whether you want to work as a delivery driver or start your own delivery service with Amazon, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Safari, type in Logistic Amazon, click on the top result. It will direct you to the home page of Amazon. Then tap on Apply Now. Tap on Get Started. Here in the welcome screen you can see 3 bars. At first bar you have to type in first and last name. Type in your email address. Here Amazon will suggest you a stronger password. You have option to create your own password. Let's type in our own password. Click on Create your Amazon account. Here Amazon will ask you to solve the puzzle. Now you will get a verification code on your email address. Once you enter the code and click on Verify, your delivery account will be ready. So this is how you create your delivery account on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.